Hello guys, today I'm gonna skateboard in school that I don't even went to. I'm gonna do a little montage of my skateboard.
Ayaw niya. Gusto niya magdala ng entourage. Ako lang magsusukat. Sabi niya gano'n. Ba't di niya ba kayang kayo dalawa?
Smoothest road. Wow. Car museum. What? Plastic. Hi. So excited. So skateboard. Look at the course, man. So long, cheap. Hey, ano ba ito?
It's a nice vintage. What car is it? It's a black car. I don't know the signages of the cars. But they have different.
Makator.
Tapos always the plate number of the president is always number 1.
Yeah, makes sense.
Right? And then 2, the VP.
Number 1.
Yeah, but this one was
What's this one? Number 2?
Chrysler. There's a building in New York, Chrysler building. It's Art Deco.
What number is it?
Kay Quezon siya. You start.
Custom. Osmeña.
Packard was a car. Hewlett Packard is computers, di ba? So, meron siya dating cars. Limousine. Packard limousine.
Look at this. So many. Literally I love Philippines for sure. I mean,
Pero warrior din sa
Park.
Ka naman.
Look at that. It's crazy. Never seen 5K. Paintings here. fireworks. And of course the design. Wow. Santa Cruz. Santa Nina.
Ilan pa?
5K.
I guess so. This is a replica of the Santorini now.
Right.
500 years.
We're just gonna eat